Welcome back to the channel, and as the thumbnail says, this is a Citroen Cactus Flare. It's the 1.2 Puretech 5-speed manual. This is unrecorded. It's got full service history, 2 keys, and it's covered 82,136 miles. I did buy the car as a non-runner with a suspect wet belt failure. So once the car's inside, we'll be getting it stripped down, having a good look around to see if there's any damage. If there's not, then we'll be removing the sump, cleaning out all the old belt debris, fitting a new timing belt kit, along with a full service, and then for an MOT. Overall, the car is in very good condition, but we will be removing the seats and fully valeting all the interior. The car also has such features as stop-start, air conditioning, speed limit with cruise control, touchscreen DAB radio with Bluetooth connectivity, electric windows, electric mirrors, power steering and central locking. Do subscribe to the channel if you've not done so already, share it with your friends, and that way you won't miss out on any updates on this car or any of the new builds. You can leave comments for me in the comment section, or you can contact me at c96rebuilds@gmail.com. As always, we thank you for watching these videos, and we do look forward to seeing you soon in another video.